Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with Dog.
こんにちは。今日はこちらの本わさびを使ってわさび丼を作ります。手軽に作れて驚くほど美味しい丼ですよ。
First, let's prepare the wasabi root, also known as wasabi stem. Detach the leaf stalks one at a time. The wasabi root should be scrubbed with a kitchen brush and rinsed thoroughly beforehand. As you approach the center, you will see a slightly raised area. Trim off the remaining stalks, but this is the freshest and tastiest part, so do not cut it off along with the stalks. If you want a smooth texture, trim off the protruding parts on the side. If the texture of the wasabi isn't that important to you, you can grate it as is. The blackened surface should also be thinly shaved in the portion to be used. Quickly rinse the wasabi and remove the water with a paper towel. This time, we order the wasabi roots from Daiō Wasabi Farm in Nagano Prefecture, but some major supermarkets in Japan also carry them. Now, let's grate the wasabi. Using the finest grater possible, grate the wasabi starting from the end with the leaf stalks attached. Grate gently in a circular motion. Look at the beautiful young grass color. Grating the wasabi will break down the cells and produce the pungent component. Let's make 3 kinds of wasabi bowls. Spread the bonito flakes on the warm rice. Place the grated wasabi on top. The elegant aroma and pungency unique to wasabi will kick you in the nose. Drizzle a small amount of soy sauce or dashi soy sauce over the top. This is the simplest way to enjoy a wasabi bowl. Mix lightly and enjoy. It is just bonito flakes, wasabi and soy sauce, but it is so delicious that you can easily finish a bowl of rice. Now, let's move on to the next delicious version. Grate the wasabi again. The aroma of wasabi peaks about 5 minutes after grating and then diminishes. Therefore, it is better to grate wasabi every time you eat it, so that you can enjoy it at its best. The next one is a gorgeous wasabi bowl with sashimi on top. Spread the bonito flakes on the warm rice again, and top with the chopped spring onion leaves and the shredded toasted nori seaweed. The regular way to enjoy a wasabi bowl is to put grated wasabi on top. Add dashi soy sauce and mix it lightly with the rice. Today, however, we are going to add fresh sashimi on top. Arrange your choice of sashimi such as red sea bream, Atlantic salmon or scallops. Garnish with a generous amount of the grated wasabi. Drizzle soy sauce or dashi soy sauce over the top. Lightly mix and enjoy. This is a gorgeous donburi bowl. You can enjoy a wasabi bowl with the taste of fresh sashimi. Finally, let's enjoy the dish as ochazuke. Be delicious, be delicious. When wasabi is grated gently, it can become creamy and the pungency can be easily obtained. Spread the bonito flakes on top of another rice bowl. Add the chopped spring onion leaves. By the way, Chef's vlog starts at around 5 minutes in this video, so please watch it until the end. Place the shredded toasted nori seaweed in the center. Place the wasabi on top of the nori. Pour over a little more dashi soy sauce this time. Finally, pour hot water over it. Bonito flakes are a healthy and nutritious ingredient full of savory umami flavor. Combined with the dashi soy sauce, it will be easy to make delicious ochazuke. Please try authentic wasabi when you come to Japan. Once you try the wasabi bowl, you will be addicted to its deliciousness.
わさびの美味しさを存分に楽しめました。最後はお茶漬けで締めくくります。
The authentic Japanese wasabi also has a hint of sweetness in the refreshing aroma and its pungency. It is not as pungent as packaged wasabi in tubes. Grating the kitchen.
以前大関でね本わさび見つけたので今日買いに来ました。あるかな。あればいいんだけど。こちらは JR 市川駅の南口を出てすぐの場所にある大関です。本わさびあるかな。あったあった。すごいすごい。本わさび1本680円ですね。こんなにたくさんある。嬉しい。どうかな。静岡産本わさびですね。これ買います。大きい。よかった。さすが大関ですね。いっぱいありました。お蕎麦、お刺身、それからわさび丼、いろいろ楽しめそうです。ほら、こんな大きいの買いましたよ。よかった。原宿にある豆大福で有名な味噌に行ってます。こちらのお店は初めてなので楽しみです。豆大福のお店はたくさんありますが、その中でも東京三大豆大福と呼ばれているお店の一つです。今日もお客さん並んでますね。平日でも行列が絶えなくて、午前中には売り切れてしまうこともたびたびあるそうです。バラで2個ください。1個税込み249円で、三大豆大福の中では一番いいお値段です。日曜日と月曜日が定休日のようです。ビデオこっち向いてくれてるかな。近くにベンチがあったので、出来たての豆大福早速いただきます。つきたての柔らかいお餅、ほんのり塩味の効いた滑らかなこしあん、赤えんどう豆の食感、この絶妙なバランスがもうたまらなく美味しいんです。いつも行列で午前中にはなくなってしまうので、間に合ってよかった。本物の味に出会えて大満足です。こんな美味しい豆大福久しぶりにいただきました。夕方には硬くなるので、午後にもう1個いただこうかな。では